tayo ng buchi from scratch. Meron tayong glutinous rice flour or malagkit flour.
Yes.
Halo natin ng white sugar.
As simple as that.
And then, milk. Slowly add water.
Sorry.
Okay.
Ay, excited ako kasi pag butchi-butchi, alam mo, di mo nakikila bumili pa sa ibang tindahan.
Oo nga,
Yes.
chef.
Restaurant, oh.
There you go.
There you go.
Pwede, ha?
Yes?
Oy, bakit sa mukha?
Wow.
Para maging oil eh.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Ma-oily ka na yan, chef.
Oh. Open it. I will put the palaman. Sorry.
Ayan na ang ating buchi balls.
Wow.
Put in the middle.
In the middle. Then, like this.
Yes.
Sure.
Question lang.
Yes.
Mga 1 tablespoon.
Ayan na.
Mga 1 teaspoon.
Right. It's quite big.
Gulong sa sesame seeds.
Bilog-bilogan.
Bilugin.
Okay.
Hop.
Yun.
Okay.
Pinaliguan ng sesame seed.
Very good. Soft touch.
Chiki. No, pangkabuhayan din. Pampaaral din to ng anak ko.
Buchi hana! 8. Tiga-tagalawa tayo. 8 yan eh. 3 tayo. Di tiga-tagalawa tayo.
Pinagulong, pinagulong!
Yehey! Naku, handa na ba kayo?
Yeah!
Oh!
Ang buchi, pag niluto, lumulubog. Pero pag luto, lilitaw. Malapit nang maluto. Ang buchi.
Okay.
Ayan na. Lumutang na po. Lutang na po, mga kaibigan.
Ganda ng butchi. Ang laki. Hop. One last. Up. Okay. Drain for a while. Bilang.
1, 2, 3, 4.
One.
Help.
I love
Magic.
you.
Magic.
I love you, tatay.
The magic fingers of
Okay.
Chef.
Yeah.
Ata. Ata. Siyempre, kailangan may sample.
Hoy.
Oops. Oop, oop, oop.
There you go. Yes.
Wow.
Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Wow. Buchi.
There you go! Dessert is ready at ang sarap ng nakaboteng ube jam. Lalo pa nating ibinida with our butchi with ube filling.